Some of your favorite celebrities wearing fakes. Since you, my viewers, enjoy watching what's trending, I'm going to implement it in my channel. But this is not to say I would neglect how to go out alone to attract your high-value millionaire man, and also exposing you ladies to reality of life in order for our men not to use our head. Hi ladies, welcome back to the channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you all for stopping by today, especially my luxury lovers. You already know when you see the box, it's another Chanel unboxing. Let's gossip. T20 Luxury has dropped another hot gist, calling out some of your fave wearing, flexing, faking designer items on social media. And honestly, it's giving why lies. Why the lies, sis? Recently, T20 is in the media exposing us to our favorite celebrity. Some of your favorite celebrities: Destiny Etiko, aka the drama doll, Mercy Aigbe, Toyin Abraham, Regina Daniels. I've spoken about Regina Daniels previously. Tonto Dike, Iyabo Ojo, aka the Queen Mother, here rocking counterfeit luxury. Come on ladies, we know you have got the money with what you flaunt on social media and your businesses, the endorsement deals, your movies, all those brand endorsement big deals and flashy lifestyle. So why the fake? Must you wear designer items? Must you wear the logos? If you don't have, it's not a problem. Most of us at one point in our lives, we could not afford it. And even if you don't want to see, because some people, they don't see themselves spending so much on an item, they just want to get something decent to wear and come out as long as they look good. That's not a problem. But if you post it online, now that's the problem. You break the rules, and we are not going to defend you ladies, because some of us see you ladies as our icon, our role model, and because of that you endorse some of these fake counterfeit markets. You become their brand ambassador, and some of us, because we follow you guys, will like you, whatever you display or advertise, we patronize them, and we end up over excessive consumption of this fake. Now, I'm not saying everyone has to be a luxury collector. Not every one of us can afford or enjoy being a luxury collector, but it's a crime if you are going to flex it at social media. Let's flex it rightly, my ladies, because it is crazy beyond imagination for this lady to invest so much money on multi-million naira, on G-Wagon, Mercedes, surgeries, and so on, but yet won't invest in real leather goods that actually appreciate. Make it make sense, ladies. And yes, where it gets interesting and makes me really sick in my stomach, I do not have affiliate to this brand, but it makes me really sick in my stomach because of some of you, our celebrities. When you spend so much on movies and it gets pirated, how you come ranting. And Toyin Abraham, I'm most disappointed when I saw the video you endorsing a fake counterfeit item, but you are first call out on how piracy affected you and your health and got you hospitalized because of your movie. So why endorse someone you really know? Because I don't think these celebrities do not know these are counterfeit. No. The first time I was thinking, okay, maybe they don't know, but it's excessive. I think they know. And also, drama doll, I think you know what is real and fake, because you have called one of your colleague, Lucy Donald. If I can see the screenshot of that conversation, and it cost huge drama on social media. So Destiny Etiko, you know very well that you're carrying a fake and you're flaunting it. Girl, you need to do better. You must not wear designer, as well as Messi Aigbe promoting counterfeit luxury goods. Make it make sense. Ladies, it's the same concept, my lady. Just like people pirating your movies, it's same way those counterfeit markets destroying the luxury markets. Just like piracy destroyed the entertainment industry, it's the same way you're destroying the luxury market. So you can't complain. You do not have any right to complain about one and turn around supporting the others. This is hypocrisy. And you ladies, let me give you a piece of advice. If you are traveling to Europe, never travel to Europe with that fake designer bags, my ladies, because you know what, right now security is cracking down on luxury counterfeit goods. It could land you in jail or huge fine, and I believe you do not want to pay that. If you can't afford the original from the shop, go to resale market before you buy, get it authenticated and wear the real deal. I myself am a lover of Chanel and not love or encourage anyone to get the modern Chanel. I prefer and advise for the vintage Chanel. And the vintage Chanel, you can get it from the resale market. All you need to do is to pay for authentication so you know that you are getting the real deal. By the way, if you want to shop anything from my closet, you could shop it from Versatile Collective or from Vinted and you will get it authenticated. This is no fake zone. Another Chanel luxury unboxing, and this will be quick so we can go right into our reaction. When I got this little cutie, if you've been following me for a long time, when I unboxed this purse, I mentioned I'm going to get a cardina and attach it to the big East-West vintage Chanel top handle bag, which is this one here. And I got one from Amazon, oopsie, but it didn't do the job. It was slacky, so I began to look for a cardina. I went to Chanel shop, but they said those are vintage items, they don't have it in stock. This is it, the one I got from Amazon. It scratches my bag, and as you know, most of my bags, I resell them. So what's going on? Is it going to rain? Let's do this quickly so I can have light in my closet, otherwise we'll take it somewhere else. So it was raining my bag, scratching, and this is lambskin. Lambskin are very delicate leather. So I began to check the resale market. I found a cardina. It was $600, but then I was like, why would I buy this little thing for $600? Actually, it was $1,000. Then I tried to send an offer for 450 euros, and the person replied what he can do is only just $600. And before I could make up my mind to do my investigation how much it cost, when I got back there, it was already sold. So got this from the resale market, Versatile Collective. In case I'm not pronouncing well, I will leave it in the screen. This is not a sponsored video, but yeah, I just need to mention it, and I've unboxed this before. When it came in, I just checked, so I just styled it somehow. Although I spent over $1,000 for this, but then again I bought it because of the cardina. The purse I will definitely resell. You see, this is Versatile Collective. I cut the tag already, so not returning this return, but at least you can resell. So this is a cardina direct from Chanel. This is new, it's not the vintage. This is the purse, and it came with the authentication card, made in Italy, Chanel. It's a very cute little purse, but I have a lot of little purses. I don't think I would use this. I will definitely sell it again. What I want to do, I'll just illustrate quickly. It's so nice. You can actually add a chain to this and carry it as a mini bag purse, you know. So this is it. This is how I want to carry the bag, 2-in-1. It's giving that 90s vibe. This bag is over 30 years old. Yeah, I can attach this one as well. If I want to carry a 3-in-1, I just thought of it now. So this is it. Chanel Runway for 2025 collection. They released East-West bag. This is it, and very little tiny purse. Since I have this already, but it's so nice. Okay, this is the unboxing. If we are dating an odogun or marrying to a billionaire, we should let him keep it real with us. This is what I'm talking about. You walk confident, especially when you are exposing it to us on social media and telling us you are living the luxurious baby girl lifestyle. It's okay if you want to wear fake, but do not expose it to us. That's what I'm talking about. And Destiny Etiko, I remember when you bullied out Lucy Donald that she's carrying fake bag, and that one have to prove by bringing invoice. So if you are going to call someone out is wearing fake, you yourself should wear real. And come to think of it, while the ladies are on the media flashing their luxury item, as well as some men, I actually thought men are the ones who wear fake because men do not care. If, for example, I tell my husband I bought this little thing for over $1,000, he will look at it like, he does not understand all this. But to my surprise, the men I thought will be using fake, because Igbo men in Nigeria, they are known for business mindset, don't like to spend money on items. And most men, especially serious-minded men, they do not spend money so much on clothing items like us ladies. But while I thought the biggest culprits were the men, surprisingly, actually they are doing better. Mr. Jollof, Cubana Chief Priest, and a few others. Daddy Freeze is also here, rocking the real deal. Who would have thought women wear fake designer items than men? The men are buying the real deal. And I have the bag Cubana Chief Priest is carrying. Should I call myself an odogun? Nothing, Nancy. But seriously, I was really impressed with Cubana Chief Priest. I never thought as a business-minded man would have time to know what is real or fake, or care so much about luxury. What could be real for this our ladies? Fake BBL, our hair, makeup, teeth, also bags. Let me introduce you again. This is true luxury, and this is how you invest in luxury. Because you know what? Not only that Chanel bags owes its value, but some often go up in price over time. If you are spending big money on G-Wagon, counterfeit, make sure it actually makes sense. So ladies, what do you think about this? Should our celebrities be called that for flexing fake designer items, or should we let them be? Do you think some of these ladies know their stuff is fake, or they are being scammed by their personal shopper? Let me know in the comment section. Please, ladies, do not forget to grab a copy of my book, How to Go Out Alone to Attract a High-Value Millionaire Man, and Positive Affirmation for Black Women. Also, if you've not seen my video, How to Make a Man Spend His Money on You, the playlist will be left at the pinned comment. Until next time, ladies, stay classy, stylish, and please buy real and not fake.